This project graces the entrance to Avondale and a really important urban junction for the neighbourhood. Ockham Residential, the developer, really values communal facilities. We like to create a space for the communities to flourish and get to know each other. This project has a number of communal facilities. We have a residence lounge with a kitchen and work from home space, another residence lounge with a media screening room. The pool area sits between both the buildings. The pool's clad in a scalloped concrete pattern and has this colourful custom mosaic tile laid within the pool. Looking down on this space, we have the podium garden. We really see this space as a place of connection for the residents. People can exit and come and go from the podium, and we kind of see it as a bump space for people to mingle and meet their neighbours. To the west of the building, we have the poplar garden with some big established protected trees. We've used a ready-mode brickwork to give a real sense of a residential building, and this is offset with a slick white glazed brick. We created these arch entryways to signal the two main entrance points to these buildings. You're welcomed into the lobbies with lots of colour, with more of the arch motif is carried on through the lobbies. I've also used the arches to cap each balcony stack, which creates repetitive rhythm down the facade and also helps with creating a landmark or a recognisable building from afar, which was important in signalling this urban junction for Avondale. Just because it's an affordable apartment doesn't mean it can't be beautiful. This is a great example of well-designed affordable housing that the residents and community can be proud of.